Is that all right? What? What's that? You ruined it. You ruined my Citroën Grand Design and you ruined it on purpose.
It was his idea.
Oh. It wasn't. We saw in the film you did it. You pushed it off the cliff because you knew it was best and you were a sore loser.
Jeremy, it wasn't the best, mate. It had a top speed of 2 and it fell over.
You couldn't even wipe your bottom in yours.
Yeah, exactly. You can wipe thousands of bottoms in mine, which is why it was the best.
Wiping your bottom is not the only criterion for judging a successful motor.
Whatever point is, mine was brilliant, and you know it.
It wasn't.
It wasn't actually. It was,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you're right. In fact, we really haven't reinvented the motorhome at all, have we?
No, I'm afraid we haven't. And once again, and as usual, we've completely wasted your evening.
Yes. And as a result of our wretched failure, Britain will continue to be strangled by the glass fibre menace of the caravan until we all suffocate and die pointless and agonising deaths.
Nice to have a plan, that's the main thing.
And on that bombshell, it's time to end. Thank you very much for watching. Good night!
Next tonight on BBC HD, Michael Sheen turns himself into Brian Clough for our fabulous drama The Damned United. And later on, the modern master Andy Warhol under the spotlight. That's at 10:35.